the most powerful tool to have ever existed. The human subconscious. Look around you right now. Everything you see was designed by someone's internal thinking processes. 95% of that being your subconscious. Your subconscious processes reality at 400 billion bits per second, which means that your neural impulses of the unconscious part of your mind runs at 104,000 miles per hour on average. That's 50 times faster than a bullet, and 10 times faster than the speed at which satellites travel around the Earth. Because of this great power, the subconscious has been given responsibilities of the most vital parts of our lives. Responsibilities like beliefs, emotions, values, habits and behaviors, your self-image, cravings, even culture. To change these parts of ourselves, or to gain a new factor, such as running, a habit, or to be more confident, an emotion, it takes plus minus about a month. Doing something consistently for a month means that that file will be stored inside your psycho-cybernetic mechanism, or better known as your comfort zone. So what is your comfort zone? Your comfort zone is your safe zone. It is made up of all the things that you have been doing in the past for a very long time. Whether it be something healthy, like gardening, or something unhealthy, like smoking. Your subconscious knows that this is a safe task to do, since you have been doing it and achieving it for a long time. To practice something for a month is not the only way you can install something into your comfort zone. This can be done in 4 days. With the right types of therapy and coaching and knowledge. It is achievable for anyone. Imagine how much that can change your life. Turning an unhealthy eating habit, such as eating chocolate, maybe ice cream, or even drinking Coke, into eating something healthy, like nuts or fruits, or drinking sparkling water. You could remove emotions that are unhealthy and dangerous to yourself, like rage, doubt, shame, anxiety, sadness, and even fear. This is all possible, and there are tons of people out there to prove it. I'm one of them. These are the first steps to mastering the subconscious, to creating a future that you can design. We are what we think we are. Our self-image proves that. So let's start working on ourselves inside to change the outside world. Our subconscious is endless opportunity to create whatever we desire. Proof is everywhere. The subconscious is the door to success. Knowledge is the key, and you are the only one who can unlock it.